welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be cleaning up the front part of my 2020 Lowrider S. We're going to be taking off these ugly orange reflectors that we have in the front, both sides. The ones in the back I think we're going to keep because I kind of like the way the red looks on there. So for this, it's going to be very simple. You're going to need three things. You're going to need some Goo Gone first. You're going to need some fishing wire, invisible cord. Whatever you have, if it's fishing wire or invisible cord line, you're going to be needing some of that. And then third, you're going to be needing a heating gun. If you do not have a heating gun, then use your wife's, your girlfriend's, your joint's blow dryer. That should work. It's going to take longer, but it'll work. But I got myself a heating gun just to make it easier, and yeah. Alright, so I already went ahead and I cut myself a piece of this clear cord. First thing you want to do is just heat up the reflector. Maybe keep the gun 2 or 3 inches away from it, and you're just going to keep going up and down for a few minutes. Alright, so if you're using a heating gun, you do not want to keep the heating gun in one place for the whole time because it'll literally start melting away. And like I said, just keep it away, maybe 2 or 3 inches away from the piece. Alright, so I literally just spent maybe about a minute or so right now on it, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. We're going to try to fit this in on top and slide it down. So you're going to take your wire, put it over it, and we're going to just try to slide it down. Easy peasy. There we go. That's coming off nice and easy. So just after a minute or so, it came off nice and easy. We're going to see how much tape we have afterwards to see how much glue gun we're going to use. And it's really not that much. So there is the reflector. Nice and easy. I'm just going to pass it over just for a few more seconds over where the remaining of the glue is left on the reflector on the bike. So I could just swipe the whole thing over. But that came off really easy. It was really good. So we won't have to use that much glue gun. The glue gun is for afterwards for whatever gunk is left on the bike. You just wipe it off, get a nice little towel, spray some on there. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Just yank that down like that. Nice and easy. And it's off. I'm just gonna get a towel. Alright, so I'm gonna spray some of my Goo Gone on my towel here. And I'm just gonna pass it. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. And a little gunk that's there left should be coming off with this. Put some elbow grease into it. Get it off of there, brother. Listen, brother, if your bike says those reflectors on, get them off, brother. Hulkamania doesn't like those reflectors on there. Alright, so I'll take the clean part of the towel now and I'll just wipe it off. Wipe it off. Just wipe it off. Hey, hey, just wipe it off. That looks nice. That looks really, really good. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do it on the other side now. I just turn that around, give you guys the front view of it. So like I was saying before, just keep moving it up and down, guys. Do not stay in one place, because you'll literally start melting down that little ugly reflector. Alright, so we've been out here for about a minute or so. Minute and a half or so. We're gonna go ahead, take our cord, clear cord, put it through the top. This was still a little tough. This was still a little tough, so we're gonna just give it some more heat. Give it some more love. Some TLC. Alright. Let's try that now. I didn't fart. That was the bike. That was the tire on the floor. Damn, you see, that one came off nice and clear. Let me zoom that in for you guys. There we go. Look at that. No gunk whatsoever. Like it literally just all flapped off on there. There it is. Ugly reflector. Where's the other one? We have 2 ugly reflectors. So we're gonna spray some of that glue gun just to get rid of all the little tiny gunk spots that are left on there, because it's a little tiny one. And like I said before, you just wanna wax it on, wax it off, wax it on, wax it off. Yo, I'm Mr. Miyagi out here right now, man. I'm Mr. Miyagi in these streets. So whip your ass too. You dig? Any little gunk that you see there left, you just want to wipe it all off, because it'll stand out later on. You're on your bike and the sun hits it, so you want to get rid of any little thing on there. And while you have your glue gun out, you might just want to spray some on your towel, maybe pass it over if you have a fairing, any bugs that you have here on your mirrors. That stuff will come off right away, man. I love this stuff. Take the clean part of the towel, just wipe it down. Just wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. So those of you guys who wonder why my name is Marvel Kid 87. Look, I got Spider-Man right here. There you see? I got Captain America in the back. I got Wolverine right there in front. I got the X-Men logo right there. Sometimes people ask me why you chose that name. Well, I used to be a geek, and I used to collect a lot of comic books. I'm crazy about Marvel superhero stuff. So yeah, that's my name, and that's why my name is my name. My name is my name. All right, let's give you guys a quick little view of what the bike looks like. All right, so we got it all blacked out now, nice and clean. I love that. Such a huge difference, man. Really liking the way that looks. Very nice. Very nice. Very cool. Nice, simple way to clean up your bike, guys. Clean up the front forks of it. Very cool. Like I said, I'm gonna keep the red ones in the back because I actually like the way they look. They look pretty nice back there, so I don't mind those. Right? So I'm gonna keep those right there where they are. Alright, it's gonna be it, guys. If you're into this type of content, you're in the right place. This is my 2020 Lowrider S. We got tons and tons of stuff that I still want to do to it. Little by little, we're getting there. So, like I said, if this is the type of content that you're into, go ahead, subscribe right now, hit that like button, smash, share this video with your friends. And like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.